Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished for a smoother way to plan, schedule, and publish your content right inside Canva, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the Canva Content Planner step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create content, schedule it for the perfect time, and even publish directly to your favorite social platforms, all without leaving Canva. Let's get started. First things first, head on over to Canva. You can do this on your computer. Just open up your favorite web browser and log into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, no worries, just sign up, it's quick and easy. You'll want to make sure you have Canva Pro for this feature since the Content Planner is included with the Pro subscription. Once you're in Canva, look up at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Some people call this the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click that. It's basically a shortcut to navigate Canva's different features, especially if you don't have everything pinned on your homepage yet. When that menu pops open, scan down the list and find Apps. Click it. Canva has all kinds of helpful built-in apps, and the Content Planner is one of the most powerful for folks who want to stay organized, save time, and keep their social media game strong. It might take a second to load depending on your internet, so don't worry if it doesn't instantly pop up. Now, once the apps page opens up, look around and you'll spot the Content Planner option. Go ahead and click on it. If you're using Canva Pro, this should show up for you right away. With the Content Planner open, you'll see a calendar-style layout. This is where all your content plans and schedules come together. Take a look at the top of the planner. Here, where the magic happens. You can add events, connect your various social media accounts, schedule posts to go live at just the right moment, and even access helpful lessons on social media strategies. For example, if you want to schedule an Instagram post to go live next Thursday at noon, just click on that date, upload your content, and set the time. Canva handles the rest. It's like having a personal assistant for your content. And if you haven't connected your social accounts yet, no stress, Canva will prompt you to authorize your platforms and walk you through connecting Instagram, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, even Twitter, depending on what you use. This part might seem a little technical if you haven't done it before, but just follow the simple prompts. Think of it like linking your email to a new device. It's safe and only takes a minute. Remember, you can also add other types of events to your planner, not just social media posts. Maybe you've got an upcoming product launch, a special announcement, or just want to block off time for brainstorming. It all goes in here. Keeping everything in one place really helps cut down on those "wait, when was I supposed to post" moments. And if you ever want to sharpen your skills, check out the lessons section. Canva includes built-in mini courses and tips on social media best practices, so you can get even more strategic with your content. And that's it. You're all set to start planning, scheduling, and publishing brilliant content straight from Canva's Content Planner. I hope this tutorial helped you see just how powerful, easy, and organized content creation can be. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own, and of course, subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.